man, I was stupid. I was dumb. I did this, I did that. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. Hey, what's good, babes? I'm so sorry for the glare on the camera, y'all. I tried to, pick a good spot. But I really just came from my first class. I really haven't been on camera, y'all, so excuse me for a little bit. I was really, collecting my thoughts and understanding that, I'm in a different space right now. Things are so different for me. And, we're coming upon spring, and I really just, coming into the new year for real, because they say, the new year doesn't really start until about April, March, around there, y'all. Even though people say the new year is January and all this other type of stuff, but I'm realizing a lot and coming to understanding a lot of changes within my life. And then, it really just set me back for a moment, and also because, people are super nosy on my channel, which I'm fine with that, because it's just like you have nothing else better to do with your life but monitor Jatavia, and that's fine, hun. But anyways, y'all, I hope y'all are having a blessed week, a blessed day, and understanding that you are always loved. And if no one has, told you Jatavia loves you more than anything, y'all, I'm sending kisses and much love to y'all. But yeah, I just came from my first class. It's kind of hot today, but y'all, I really want to talk about forgiving yourself and understanding that you are in a process. You are in a good place. No matter what you are seeing, no matter what you are hearing, the mind can play a lot of tricks on you, and it could be a feeling of slightly feeling depression or coming into a depression, y'all. I have to recently understand that, forgiving yourself is the first step to releasing whatever is trying to have a hold upon you, y'all. Babes, I really understand that, and I'm sure you babes can relate to this as well, but learn to understand and, really just take it all in, that if you made a stupid decision, a stupid choice, of anything or anyone done you wrong, it could be so many scenarios, you know what I'm saying? But just understanding that you can forgive yourself first before you ever forgive anybody else, you know what I'm saying? When you forgive yourself and go deep within, pray, meditate, stay into the Bible, fast if you need to, do a water fast, social media fast, y'all. Babes, you can do anything, any type of fast. Like, it don't have to be just physically food or water that you can, restrain from, if I'm saying that word right. But it could be, social media, games, anything that you really love and that you never really take a break from. You could add that to fasting, y'all. Like, I had to recently do this, with the social media. I really wasn't on there, you know what I'm saying? Because, I've been regularly posting about Mondays and Wednesdays, on my way to class, back from class, in the middle of the class, or whatever, y'all. But, fasting can really play a part in clearing your mind, clearing your spirit, your soul, and letting God take over and just really listening to what he has to say to you. But realizing that you need to focus on yourself and forgive yourself for what you have done is a clearing stepping stool, and understand and analyze where you messed up at, and understand that you can make it better for yourself. You can't control outside forces, but you can forgive yourself and understand that you can do better at something else. You can make yourself happier at something else. And then when you forgive yourself and understand, man, I was stupid. I was dumb. I did this, I did that. But, I'm going to make it better next time. Or I'm going to choose to do this next time. And I'll learn from this and I'll learn from that. And I'm not going to do it next time. And then when you really clear that from your brain and not being so mad at yourself and not being so angry, you really can come to the next step of forgiving that person that done you wrong, that, crushed you, stabbed you in the back. And after you get done, realizing yourself, come to that person next and be like, man, I forgive you for this and for that. And even when you forgive them, you don't have to speak to them directly. You don't even have to tell them. You know, you can keep it between, you know, you and God and what you plan to forgive them about after you forgive yourself. But really forgiving yourself and asking God for forgiveness as well, and not slipping into a depression, and not, you know, I'm saying, like, I know it's not easy, you know what I'm saying, like, to slip into a depression or anything like that, but when you realize the wrongs that you are doing, you can forgive somebody else for the wrong that they are doing, and realizing, you know, that you won't make that same mistake anymore. You won't repeat that same cycle anymore. But just forgiving them for how they have done you, and realizing that they don't deserve a place in your life anymore. And we're coming to spring, and I feel like it's time to clean house spiritually and physically, y'all. And I feel like, you know, forgiving people is the real biggest first step of that, and blooming into the person that God is wanting you to be, you know, in this correct moment, especially, you know, like I said, coming into springtime, we see the beautiful flowers blooming. It's getting back hot again. You know, winter is about to officially be over. And y'all, I just got on a simple, cute outfit, you know, my furry clips, this cute shirt that I got from the Goodwills, and yeah, and like some stretchy pants. Your girl ain't wearing no jeans or nothing like that, because you know the weight I gained. And also, babes, I will be coming back with another project. I would love for you, babes, to press the like button and support me on these videos, y'all, and these vlogs, because I really do speak from my heart when I speak about this stuff. And I really hope that you, babes, understand where I'm coming from, because, you know, I can totally relate to this. And if you can relate, please, babes, press that like button. But yeah, I will be coming out with another project soon, though. I'm having to clean my garage sale stuff that I did for last summer and take it out of that room and put it in, you know, in the outside storage at my grandmother's. So that's really what I've been also working on as well. And right now we currently looking for tubs to fit into the storage or whatever like that. But it will be getting done, and I will be have everything moved and organized so I can be able to start another project and, you know, do DIYs and other, you know, type of stuff like that. But yeah, forgiving yourself can really just lift a load on yourself, and it can just feel so much better, and you won't have a burden so much because you already forgave that person and the wrong that crossed you. And God loves when we forgive. You know, he said we should forgive 70 times 7. Or something like that, y'all. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I remember hearing it. I just ain't saying it right. But yeah, forgiving your neighbor, you know, love them as God loves you, and understanding that people make mistakes. Everyone is not going to be perfect. But, you know, you don't have to invite them back into your life open arms willingly. But that's also what I'm having to learn as well. Forgiving people from a distance and loving them from a distance. Excuse me, y'all. But yeah, I really hope you, babes, enjoyed this quick vlog. I really do miss y'all, and so many kisses. Mwah, mwah. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.